Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to deploy a Flask application on Heroku by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. First of all, ensure that you have an account on Heroku and you have installed Heroku Cli on your system. You can install Heroku Cli easily using npm with this command on your system. You can install Heroku Cli directly using this command on Windows operating system. But on Linux based operating system, you must add sudo privilege before this command. Okay, sudo, then use this command and hit enter and enter your password to install Heroku Cli on your system. I already have installed Heroku on my machine. Verify the installation Heroku hyphen version. Okay, and then go to documentation and click on Python. Get started with Python. Now set up Git because the Heroku CLI requires Git. So you need to install and configure Git on your system. You will find a link in video description how to install and configure Git on your system. Then open your command prompt or terminal and type this command to log in to Heroku CLI. Heroku login. Hit enter. Now press any key to open up the browser to login or Q to exit. Hit enter. Log into the Heroku CLI. Here enter your email address and password to login. Okay. And then log into your Heroku account dashboard to see the application that you have created. Okay. From terminal, I am going to create an application on Heroku with this command Heroku create -a and then enter the application name, my first Flask application. Okay, now hit enter. Now reload and you will see an application on your dashboard. Okay, now click on this application and then click on deploy. Scroll down. Okay, navigate to desktop or anywhere by CD and clone this Heroku Git repository with this command Heroku git clone -a and then type the application name my ff app. Hit enter. Okay, now navigate to this application. Now open this application with any text editor. My case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. Okay, it is an empty application. Okay, now I am going to create a simple Flask application. At first, create a file, name it main.py and create a simple Flask application. Now save this file and then create a proc file. Okay, and write this code here. Web clone, you must use a space and then type unicorn, then use space and then type wsgi clone app, then save this file and then create another file and name it wsgi.py and write this code here from main. This main is the file name main. Okay, and then import application. This application is the instance of Flask application. Okay, save this file and create a requirements.txt file to add dependencies for this application. And add the dependencies. Save this file. Okay, now initialize this Git repository with this command git init and then use this command. Okay, set git remote Heroku to this repository URL. Okay, now deploy your application. At first commit your code to the repository and deploy it to Heroku using Git. Okay, before committing you can create a readme file with this command echo. Here enter your application name, my case myff app, readme.md. Okay, save this file. Now commit this repository with this command git add space then dot and hit enter and then commit git commit -m inside double quotation. Enter the commit description. First commit. Okay, now push the local repository to Heroku with this command. Okay, it may take a while for building, installing Python pip SQLite database and necessary packages. Okay, this URL deploy to Heroku. Click here and see. Okay, if you want to run this application on Python 3.10.2, then create another file, name it runtime and add here Python space 3.10.2 or Python specific version. Save this file and then commit again git add space dot, hit enter, then git commit. Okay, now git push to Heroku master. Okay, now reload and see. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.